Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 9th to 13th February 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see 0.59% positive move, 1.36038 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. And even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be marking some important levels which will help you to take better trades for this week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's open a weekly chart first. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a bearish candle with a medium body and a big lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 87.94 level, which is at overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. Also, if you want to learn trading, intraday trading or swing trading, you can contact me. I will teach you how to do trading on any forex pairs. So currently, let's talk about the closing first. So here, important support and resistance zones are already marked, so we don't need to mark any such new levels. So currently closing is 1.36038 and direct support is 1.35862. Direct resistance is 1.36129. After direct support, there is a support of 1.35663 and then 1.35390. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.36352 and then 1.36511. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I already made a dedicated video on what is Profom, how it works and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. I have also shared Profom links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any Profom that you want to buy any challenges. Then you can use that coupon to get discounts from up to 30% as well. So if you don't know what is funded account, I already made a dedicated video. You can refer to my forex playlist and do consider checking that all the videos over there. So let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative move in this range, that is 1.356632 to 1.35862. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range, but if you're going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade once 1.36129 gets breached and a 1-day or a 4-hour candle gets closed above this, then you can go for a long till this level. Even you can go for a long till this level if this level also gets breached. So overall, my expectation is a bit negative for this week in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.